guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a unboxing promo kind of thing for this company. It's called Prettyyfaceecollections. So if you want to see what came in my package, just keep watching. Okay y'all, so I already opened the package, of course, and I have it on, and this is what I'm promoting for her. So it's called Prettyyfaceecollections, and I will put her Instagram in here and link it down below, but I'm going to show y'all what came in the package. So well, let's cover this up. So this is the bag that it came in, really cute, and it says Prettyyfaceecollections, and inside it came with the pretty pink bag that says thank you and her business cards. So I'm gonna reach y'all this so y'all can know her business and go check her out. So this is the card, and it says Prettyyfaceecollections, and it tells you what all that she sells and makes and stuff. So it says business bundles, budget books, graduation caps, rolling trays, lashes, purses, lighters, and clothing. So her Instagram is Prettyyfaceecollections. I will put that up. Her Facebook is Nikita Bentley, and Prettyyfaceecollections.com is the website. So let's get into the outfit. So this is the set that I got, and this is a small medium. Do y'all see this? Baby, it's giving body, and it's so, y'all, like, the quality though is so cute. Do y'all see this? Y'all see this? So I think she shipped it out sometime last week, and it came, what's today? It came Saturday. So I'm just not getting a chance to put it on and make my video and stuff. But y'all, this is so cute. So it's this jacket and these tights. They're tights, y'all, so y'all know what I'm talking about. But y'all see this? I love the quality of it, and it stretches. And of course you can unzip this. But this is the set, and it's so cute. And it fits really well. So I'm definitely gonna tell y'all to go shop with her, because she has so many things, so many different things, just not clothes. So, but I really like this set, and I like the color that I chose too, because I think it looks good on my skin tone. And for me to just have a baby, I think my body looks good in this. But this is the outfit, y'all. I just want to come and do a quick kind of unboxing, try on, and tell y'all about it so y'all can go check her out. Because we have to support the Black-owned businesses. We have to support the small businesses and get them some business so they can be bigger. But it is from the company Prettyyfaceecollection, guys. Like I said, I will put the Instagram in here, and I will also link it down below. But if you want this set, I forgot the name of this set. But it is so cute. And it's small, medium, and I think it does me very well. So I want y'all to go check her out and go shop with her. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.